So, Sammy, you've just finished the placebo diet retreat. What is your take home from this? What have you got from it?
Oh my gosh, I've been on a diet since I was 5 years old. I'm now 45 years old. I'm going into my 46th birthday feeling absolutely freaking amazeballs, owning who I am, loving myself for the first time in my life. And I really believe that what we've got at this retreat is something that isn't just for Christmas. It is for life, and it's not just a life, it gives you a life.
Oh, fabulous. So what would you say to anybody thinking, oh, it might just be another diet and not really sure, should they, shouldn't they?
Yeah, diets are a 4-letter word for a reason, and that's why I quit dieting. I just got fed up. I hated dieting. I hated myself for failing at every diet that I ever did. And what I love about this retreat is that we've got strategies, we've got mindset, we've got everything, mind, body, and soul, ready to go out into the world and actually do it and achieve it.
And make some ripples.
Make some ripples.